Buying Bitcoin is very risky. What will happen to the crypto market at the weekend? This week, the price of the main cryptocurrency fell to an 11-week low of $46,000. Will the fall continue in the next few days, or will the crypto market begin to recover after the collapse? Over the past 7 days, Bitcoin has fallen in price by 10% and is trading at $50.9 thousand at 20 o'clock, according to CoinGecko. This week, the value of the main cryptocurrency fell to an 11-week low of $, after Tesla CEO Elon Musk announced that the company would temporarily suspend the sale of electric vehicles for Bitcoins. Experts gave a forecast regarding what is happening in the cryptocurrency market in the next 2 days. There is a high risk of seeing a continuation of the decline over the weekend. These days, the market remains under pressure from fundamental factors, which include statements by Elon Musk regarding the cryptocurrency, as well as another round of information about the litigation by the US authorities in relation to Binance. The market is nervous and unstable, so any new negative information can lead to fixation of positions by investors and a drop in quotations of digital assets. If today, on Friday, the market cannot win back at least half of the fall that happened in the week, then there is a high risk of seeing a continuation of the decline on the weekend. The level of $40,000 acts as a medium-term target for Bitcoin, and the only question is whether the price will go there from the current levels or will first grow locally to $55,000 before developing a further correction. Buying Bitcoin at the current level is very risky, so I would recommend waiting until the end of the week to understand further market trends. No positive news expected yet.
Now the market has a priority for sideways movement, but there can be carryovers in both directions. The market will collect liquidity both from the top and from the bottom. Bitcoin can go up to $46,000 and up to $53,000.
Market participants are not yet ready to actively buy or sell. As usual, the market can be influenced by near-market news, both positive and negative. The reason for the last strong sale was Musk's statement that Bitcoin mining leads to environmental pollution, which is simply market manipulation.
Also negatively affected by the statement of the SEC that the upcoming ETFs on Bitcoin will be considered as high-risk products, respectively. This will limit the entry of many funds that, in their risk profile, cannot work with high-risk products. Cryptocurrency, as an extremely volatile asset, always reacts painfully or, on the contrary, joyfully to any statements by reputable newsmakers.
But positive news is not expected on the weekend. Bitcoin is passing an important test. The crypto market may be influenced by the stock market as the correlation has become quite noticeable lately. Therefore, market participants should keep an eye on how the S&P will close the working week. The negative factor in the form of Elon Musk's statement has largely played out its potential. The head of Tesla demonstrates even more affection for Dogecoin, but is forced, in fact, to abandon support for Bitcoin. Until the end, the exact reasons that forced him to make such a statement against Bitcoin are still unclear, but the market took this as a sell signal. The retail sector has a say over the weekend. At the moment, the propensity for panic sales has not been confirmed. It can be seen that after the correction, tokens immediately attract demand from discount hunters. This is a positive sign, as buyers and unrealized demand in general remain on the market.
Dogecoin's growth spike indicates an extremely high attention to Musk's claims. However, unless Tesla's readiness to replace BX with Doge is soon confirmed, investors may become seriously nervous, because in fact everyone understands what Dogecoin's growth is based on.
Bitcoin is undergoing an important $50K test, where the tug-of-war between bulls and bears will be monitored especially closely. Until now, the market has shown that bears have repeatedly lost, so now there is still a high potential for a return to growth. Against this background, the Bitcoin Dominance Index will continue to decline, and it is likely that it will reach and break the previous minimum by 32%.